Hello everyone, we are the students from Northern Bukidnon State College, and for today's video, let's talk about the stock market. So here's our outline for this video. Each of us will answer the stated questions here. Without further ado, let me differentiate our two examples of apps that you can invest in. Here's eToro and Investa. eToro is an international or multinational social trading where you can buy stock in international markets, while Investa is for local trading here in the Philippines where you can buy stocks from companies only here in the Philippines. Both have a virtual account to provide beginners to practice the world of investing in the stock market. For Investa, they have a separate name which is called Investagram. Is that clear? So let's proceed. But preferred broker among these two is Investa because it's very eye-catchy because of its color and how easy and clear to understand the options in buying and selling stocks. Upon my experience, as of my current situation, I found myself as a conservative investor. What I like the most in Investa is they have the pay-to-earn opportunities where you can also meet a lot of investors and not just to earn, but you can also learn. It is very challenging when you start to think which stock will you buy. In my case, as a conservative investor, I only buy stock on blue chip companies who performed well in the last 5 years, and I've known already that they existed. My strategy to gain profit is that being consistent investor when the market doing well. But as of now, my portfolio for all investors, we all know that the market today is dipping, and by that, I will stop buying. But I will never sell my stock because I believe that the market is not sitting still. Time will come, it will go up.
eToro has become one of the well-known trading platforms due to its unique products and focus on customers' protection and privacy. On the other hand, Investagram has low risk and convenient to use, especially on the beginner. And then risk appetite, I am a conservative investor since I do need stability, stable in regards to my money and stocks. Though investing aggressively can have a higher return to my investment, however, I want my money stable and safe, and then afterwards, if I have the courage to turn into this aggressive investor, if I have enough to invest, then why not invest? If that will not make me disappointed of losing. And being a conservative investor, though it is not high return investment, at least it is stable, safe, and I can minimize the risk. So in terms of my different strategies, for me, I rather do the trading, specifically buy and sell. I can buy stocks with that amount, and then I will sell the stocks with the markup, and I will make the best I can to manage my portfolio and have a control to my financial position. So in my tactics in action, to minimize losses, I will not trade much. I will have the time for that, but I rather choose to trade not big, however consistent. And I will focus only on long trades, not a short time of trading. And I will actually evaluate my strengths and weaknesses, and I will not do things that I don't have the assurance to gain more, and I will not put my trading into lifeline. It is easy to monitor my stocks since it is mostly local stocks and affordable in terms of their board lot.
eToro is the simplest way to learn about investing, particularly for beginners, and it is a multi-asset platform that allows you to invest in stock and crypto assets, as well as trade, whereas Investagram is where you can invest only local investment and also has a low risk especially for a newbies, and both are easy on monitoring the portfolio. And I can say I am type of conservative investor since I do check and balance the situation first, especially my financial status before entering into a higher risk. And I believe securing your investment is a wise decision to do in investment to lessen the risk. Therefore, after knowing my financial stability, I can now proceed to a long-term investment, whereas a higher risk, higher return investment. And as a investor, you must always check and monitor the chart for you to have a idea on which to invest. And as an investor, the different strategy that I use to gain and to minimize on losing is that I do buying and selling stocks. And my tactics on this is to sell when it is green, even though it's not that high. But at least consistent, I can always gain profit. And I always study my portfolio before investing, and based on my portfolio's performance, I can say that it was increasing and it is a good time to sell my investment.
The difference between eToro and Investogram platform is that eToro, known as an international trading and investing of stocks and crypto assets, and it had been selected as the best broker for cryptos and the best social trading. But they are slow when it comes to withdrawal because they only based on one currency account, and also their customer support is difficult to contact. And while Investograms, they has a low risk offer and offers local stocks with affordable board lots. And I think it is a good choice for trading and investing, especially for the beginners. Risk appetite. I can say that I am a conservative investor because before I invest or trade stocks, I must study more about it first. I have to study more about it first to minimize the risk. I seek information on how good it is for me to invest as I want my money stable and secure. And aside from keeping my investment safe, I can also have a higher return because I will also choose those stocks that has a lower price, then sell it with a higher price. And in this case, my strategy used is buy and sell. I will buy stock as many as I can while the prices are affordable. And my tactic for this is that I will resell the stocks when it is on demand and when it turns into green, because that means I gain profit, and I will sell it to gain more profit. And based on the performance of my portfolio at this time, I noticed that it is losing. So I will not resell it yet until it turns into green so I can gain more profit.